Ho ho! One more day, and I need to get this done because it's still cold. It's nice outside. The trucks are right there. I'm ahead of the game today, and well, let's get that done. Whoa! Welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Match as always. But before we get in there, just make sure you subscribe. We are almost in 1,000 subscribers, and you know the deal. If I get 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna put a lift kit on my truck. A lot of people sending me DMs on Instagram. By the way, if you're not following Instagram, follow me Instagram. I'm putting a lot of stuff there, so you don't want to miss it. We are almost there. By the way, let me check how many subscribers we have right now. Right now we are 884. By the time you're watching this video, I don't know, maybe you're watching a year later or whatever, but right now I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. It's just a personal goal. I promise you guys, if we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna put it in the lift kit. I have been doing a lot of work towards that already, but I just want to make sure we hit that mark. It's very important when you set goals. Just make sure you stick with your goals, alright? But without further ado, today it's still a cold day in Jersey. I think right now it's 28, some kind of, I don't know. Sun is there, the truck's here. I'm doing everything outside because even it's cold, we still can take advantage of the sun. And today, we're gonna change the hash marks. Some people call it stripes or hash marks, so don't get mad on me, alright? It is what it is. And what I have to do, we're gonna remove that one first and clean everything up. I'm gonna reveal the new color. That's what we're gonna need. I think that's what we're gonna need. Alcohol to clean. Every time you are dealing with wraps in general, vinyl, you need to clean whatever you are wrapping with very well. And by the way, I was in Canada last week. Thank you so much for all the messages from my Canadian friends. That was awesome, very cold. My truck was a mess, but I got a car wash. If you're not following me on Instagram or missing that, I got a car wash and now it's clean enough. But I wanna make sure it's clean before we remove the stripes. And we're gonna need this to make sure that the vinyl is correct. And tape. Why I'm gonna need this is because I wanna mark where I have the stripes now, and I'll put the new ones, which is here, in the same spot, alright? So without further ado, one thing I need to do, I need gloves. So the reason why I got gloves is, man, because my hands are freezing, alright? We're gonna start with this side. I'm gonna clean everything before, and then we're gonna remove it. I will tape it, and you guys will see. So let's do step by step. I will clean everything because I'm gonna tape it up here, and I just wanna make sure I don't mess with this. And as you guys can see, the truck is kind of clean, but still we need to be as clean as possible. It's just regular alcohol, nothing special. All right, I'm not gonna tape it now. I'll try to remove the. You know what, we need one more thing. Stay there.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I think it's gonna be easy if we use a heat gun. You guys know I have one because I wrap it many different things. But if you don't have one, I think you can use a hair dryer. It's up to you. I just wanna make it easier. See, when you use a heat gun, it's so much easier. One done. One thing it's important to mention, I don't know if the camera will show you. I don't know if you guys can see in the camera. So we have this mark here, which is kind of, if I clean, it's going away. But I'm actually using this to replace with the new one. I'm gonna leave this mark right now. I'm gonna remove the other one. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep in the hood. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean here. We should be good to go. Let's remove the other one. Sight number one removed. As you guys can see, we still have those marks. But now we're gonna need the new one. The new one is right here. Let's open so you guys can see the color. You guys probably know the color by now because I mentioned that before, but anyway, that's kind of an open box, I would say, because you know I got this 2 weeks ago and it didn't open, so something is wrong. We're gonna find out now. I bought it from InShade Designs. I will leave the link in the description below. I'm not getting paid to say that, but just because it's a good product. It's the same one, I just had it, so if you want to buy one for you, the link is in the description below. Alright, the new stripes are black. You guys knew it, right? So, I mean, I think we're good to go here. You get two sides. I just need to clean more, and then we're gonna apply the new one. Then we're gonna compare. I think I'm gonna still keep the thing over the hood. I just think it looks good. I don't know, we'll see. To apply the hash marks, I need to clean, and then I'm gonna use the same marks we have before to be my point of reference, if you will. But let me clean before. See, you can remove those marks very easy with alcohol. I just left a little bit in here. You guys not gonna be able to see, but there's a small one here. I hope you guys can see it. And then I left here as well, as you guys can see. So that can be my reference for the new ones. I think we can go ahead and put the new ones. To install a new one, it's very easy because the way they send to you, they are attached to each other, so you don't need to measure anything there. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure it's clean and it should be good to go. There we go. It's gonna look better. I think so. We'll see. We're gonna don't get excited before we see all the entire process. But anyway, so once you get everything in place, and those marks that I just left from the old one, which they are here, they are actually great because then I don't need to measure. If you guys didn't watch my last video, it's an old video, but make sure to watch so because you can see how I measure, so you know, to see the center of the fender and everything else. So but because I have those marks, it's just easier. All right. It's looking good, looking good. So just you guys can have idea how it's gonna be. It's gonna looking better. So now what do we need to do between the hood and the fender? You just need to cut a little bit and just bend it so you have the gaps. All right, that's what I'm gonna do right now. We're gonna do the same here with those parts, and we should be good to go. What do you guys think? Let's see this view here. What do you guys think? Black stripes now, boys. I like it. Here are the black stripes, and here are red stripes. Black and red. What do you guys think? Which one do you prefer? Of course, I'm gonna keep the black one for a while. I'm gonna do the same thing for this side, and then we're gonna see the entire thing. All right, I'll leave you guys a time lapse right here. Before we finish with the stripes, let's take a moment to remember how is this truck without the stripes. That's how it look like. To be honest, I don't remember exactly how this truck was without the stripes. I got so used to it that it's kind of weird looking without it, but it still looks good. And the good thing about the vinyl though, it's like you can just remove it whenever you want. Like, just, you see, it was super easy. I think it took me like 5 minutes. So if you're afraid to do, don't be. Just go go ahead and do it. Okay, we are almost done. Actually, we are done, but I just want to put the car back towards the back so we can see better, right? There you go, guys, the black stripes. I think I like it, especially when you look like this angle here. Sorry for this, because the sun, it's kind of messing everything around, but there you go. The black stripes, boys and girls, because I have some girls watching. And yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below if you prefer the black or the red one, which is right here. Thank you, buddy, for all this time together, but it's time for a change. All right, that's it. I hope you guys really enjoy. This is just one part of the things I told you guys I would do it. I love looking here now, and it looks way better for what I'm going now with the truck. I think that's gonna make more sense. Also, again, if you're not following me on Instagram, go there. You're missing a lot of stuff. Sometimes I'm going, just because it's easier, that goes on the Instagram first than here, but make sure to follow me on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe. We are almost there. My next video is gonna be about probably wheels and tires, but hang in there. Until there, I'll see you guys next video, and as always, don't forget, enjoy your life.